Here's just a quick video on how to make a new page in InDesign and how to be able to change those parameters after the fact if you ever needed to. So I'm just going to start off by going to InDesign, New Document. It's going to give me a lot of different presets. Almost all of these I can change later on down the road if I want to. For example, I'm going to start off with an intent of working on a print document compared to a web document. I could alter the number of pages or the number of pages where I wanted the first page to start. Big suggestion if you're working on a single page document like an ad, a poster, a postcard where you'd end up seeing only one side at a time because you don't see the back side, I would definitely take the facing pages off. It just confuses things when you're looking at both of them at the same time. The page size, I could either select from something that was kind of a preset, or I can come in here and type in whatever dimension I want. I'm making an 8 1/8 by 10.5 inch page. If I happen to know how many columns I need to set, I can go ahead and change that right here. To begin with, this dimension, this 0.1667, that's 1 pica. I'm going to go ahead and just leave my margins at 1/2 of an inch, and in this case I don't want any kind of bleed on the document, so I'm going to go ahead and click OK. So now there's my page, but in hindsight I've decided I need to change some parameters. So I'm going to come back up here and go to File, Document Setup. You'll notice the intent is grayed out. I have to change that now someplace else, but I could still change the total number of pages in my document, the page number it started on. I could go ahead and turn the facing pages on or off. I can change the page dimensions, alter my bleed and everything, but the big thing that's missing is the margins, column guides, and the gutters. That's because after you've made the page, InDesign splits that and puts it over here under Layout, Margins, and Columns. So at this point I could come back in and either change some of these if these weren't what I wanted. So I'm going to change this from 2 columns to 3. And with the preview button on, you'll be able to see that in the background. And then I'm going to just go ahead and click OK. That's it.